Hello students, in today's session, relation functions, very basics of domain range or 12th standard will be discussed through illustrations, right? In earlier session, we have discussed very basics through illustrations, and also these topics are also discussed through illustrations taken from JEE Main, which you can review on CET. In addition to this, I will also request go through these also, which are having very concept killing videos, which you can review on CET. Now, let's start with the questions. Question is, find the domain of the function root 2 minus x minus 1 over under root 9 minus x square. In this case, there are two functions. One function is the square root function, the square root. Domain is non-negative real numbers. Non-negative real numbers. That is 0 to infinity. Right? Another is rational expression. Rational expression. That is numerator is denominator. For it to be defined, denominator should not be equal to 0. Then find domain of each function independently, and finally conclude the answer satisfying both the domains. Right? Root 2 minus x. Root 2 minus x. Which means 2 minus x should be greater than equal to 0. X should be less than equal to. Domain of this function is this one. Another function is 1 over under root 9 minus x square. Other function is 1 over under root 9 minus x square. In this case, it is square root function denominator. The 9 minus x square should be greater than 0. Equal का sign हटा दिया. Reason being, denominator will become 0, then the fraction expression will become non-defined. So x square less than 9, x less than 3, greater than minus 3. Right? One is this answer, one is this answer. Now we have to conclude this satisfies both the conditions. In this case, minus 3, 3. This is the upper interval. Right? In this case, in the first case, it is going less than equal to 2. This is 2. This is the closed interval. It is saying like this. It is saying like this. This is saying like this. Right? So conclusion will be this one. Therefore, domain of given function will be minus 3 with upper interval and 2 with closed interval. Right? This is the answer. This is the answer. Question will be find the domain of the function. So in this question, there are two functions. One is square root function, one is rational expression function. Function is defined for non-negative real numbers. ये देखिए हमने. Rational expression is defined when denominator should not be equal to 0. First we find the domain of this, and then find the domain of this, and finally conclude the answer. Next question. Question is, find the range of fx equal to sec of pi by 4 cos square x. There are two functions. One is sec x, one is cos x. We should know the domain and range of both. Domain of the function, range of the function, cos and sec. Its domain is R, range is -1 to 1. -1 to 1 and sec R minus non-defined किस पे होता है? Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, that is odd multiple of pi by 2. Range means इसका जो आंसर होता है -1 और 1 के बीच नहीं होता. एक ही आंसर है, एक ही आंसर है. ये क्या था, इधर जाइए. This is -1, 1. This can be written minus infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity. Range of this, right? Now come to the question. Question में requirement है हमारी cos x की range है 1 greater than equal to 1. Cos square x, cos square x 1 greater than this will be equal to -1. This is 0. Then multiplying both sides by pi by 4. Region, it is given in the question, pi by 4. So 0 से pi by 4 multiply 0, pi by 4 cos square x pi by 4. Taking sec 0, sec of pi by 4 cos square x sec of pi by 4. Sec 0 is 1. Sec of pi by 4 cos square x. Sec of pi by 4 is sec 0 is 1. This is root 2. Range of the given function. Range of given function 1 root 2. Close interval, open interval. Equal का sign है, so this will be close interval. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, find the domain range of this. It is a square root function. The square root function. Domain is non-negative real number. This is 0 to, right? Means 3 minus 2x minus x square should be greater than equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by -1. In equation sign will change. In equation sign will change. X square minus plus 2x 3 plus equal to 0. X plus 3 x minus 1 doesn't. Less than equal to concept है हमारा. Greater of outside, less for inside. This is the closed interval. Dark कर दीजिए. Greater of outside, less for inside. Greater of inside and less for inside. Inside. So this is -3. This is 1. The domain of the function is -3, 1. This is one of the answers. And range of this function is to find range. There are two methods. One is y equal to fx, find x equal to fy. Domain of this will be range of this with certain observations. Okay, that is to value with common sense. Or in this case, we can find out fx is under root 3 minus 2x minus x square. 3 minus 2x minus x square. Breaking for factor square, minus sign common, x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1 and minus 3. Right? On simplification, this comes out to be 4 negative sign 4 minus x plus 1 whole square. In this case, maximum value of function is when x plus 1 equal to 0, and that is under 4, that is 2. Right? Therefore, range of the function is 0 to 2. This is closed interval. This is the answer. Right? Now, I will request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Statistic Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept building videos. Thank you.